So I would say the Indian culture is quite different from that of we consider Asian.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Do Indians see themselves as Asians? Oftentimes you find people not including Indians when they are counting Asians. So today, let's ask Indians and see what they think. So today I'm out here with.
Ishita.
Okay.
And Dhruv. Surya.
Okay.
Khushi.
Hello, hi. My name is Akshay Thakur. Aditya.
Okay.
Ria.
Oh, okay, great, Ria. So guys, I only had one question for you. So when you are asked about Asia, which 3 countries come to your mind?
Any 3 countries?
Yeah, from Asia.
From Asia?
Yes.
Japan? China? And third one?
China, Myanmar, and Nepal.
Oh, okay.
India, China, and Nepal.
And Nepal.
India and Nepal and Bhutan.
Oh, okay, okay. That's great.
Pakistan, Afghanistan, Bangladesh.
Oh, okay, okay.
Yeah.
okay.
Yeah, it's India and Indonesia.
India and Indonesia.
Yeah.
Bangladesh,
Mhm.
Sri Lanka,
Uh-huh.
and India.
Oh, okay. Would you count Indians as part of Asia?
Yeah.
You would?
Yes, definitely.
Oh, okay.
I count
okay.
India as a Asia.
Oh,
Part of
okay.
Asia.
Everyone have their own opinion about it, but when we look at the larger scale of the entire continent, I think that India is an integral part of this continent, and we have their own importance in our own sense.
Yeah,
because
yeah.
everyone have their own culture.
Yeah,
it
yeah.
doesn't like it's not like the Chinese are, or when we go to a Western world, they only consider that the people with the similar looks like
Yeah.
Japan and they consider them as Asian, but we are also the part of it, and we have our own culture and things that we love to do, and we like to share with the rest of the world.
Yes, we are.
Yeah?
Yeah, we are.
Okay.
It's
What
a
about?
very dominating part in it, in Asia.
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
okay.
according to me, yeah, it is.
Oh, okay. What about you, bro?
Yeah, it's a very dominating part. That Indian Peninsula, it's a dominating part of Asia.
Oh, okay.
It forms a shape. It's kind of triangle-like.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, that's
Oh, okay. That's great. So, usually, like, oftentimes people feel like the Indian culture is very different from other Asian countries like Japan and Korea. Do you think that's true?
A little bit. India is different in its own ways, obviously. But yeah, I mean, different countries have different culture. So India is different in its own way. That's it.
Oh, okay. Oh, yeah. That's actually a good point.
India is the most diverse country in this world. We are rich in culture, languages. Around 500, I guess. I don't know the approx figure, but I guess 12 languages are spoken in India, and India is rich in culture, diversity, and a lot of different people live here. Yeah, that's it.
Oh, okay. Oh, yeah. That makes sense. That makes sense, really.
It's a country of Asia. It's a continent of Asia, Yeah.
Okay.
So I don't think it's separated from other continents. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
You believe it's all the same?
Yes. I believe.
Oh, okay.
Not particularly,
Yeah.
because as he said, every culture is distinct in its own. So I would say the Indian culture is quite different from that of we consider Asian.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So would you say like the culture from India is like different from other Asian cultures?
Yeah, it's diversity here. Many cultures, many religions are there in India, and it's not a particular about one thing only.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
What do you think, bro?
There are like many languages, religion, and diversity.
Yeah.
Like I don't think it is anywhere
Oh,
in the part of the world like in India.
Oh, okay.
As you could have also seen when you came here.
Yeah.
People are different, they speak different, and we are different, like according to their religion and culture. So I think like it's very adverse in India.
Okay.
Yeah.
28 states, but we have more languages, like more than 100 languages here in India. Then we have more food, diversity of food.
Yeah.
It's very different from south to north to west to east. It's so different, and so
As
you
you
know.
are in like in the northern part right now, you are in the Chandigarh.
Yeah.
You will eat these type of food like chole bhature, pani puri, etc. And when you will go to south, it's totally different. It's like idli, dosa, sambar. Like it's really adverse out here.
So it's the diversity and everything.
Spices in northern we have little bit. It's not so much spicy, but as you go south towards south, so spicy food.
Oh,
So
okay,
it's
okay,
diversity. So it's good.
Oh, okay. Oh, that's great, really. So yeah, I mean, that's the question really that I had for you today. And yeah, I appreciate you. Nice to meet you guys.